It has been a very active spring for tornadoes in Alabama, and particularly the month of March. One of the biggest March tornado totals in years, with 40 tornadoes across the state. But it's not just the number of tornadoes, it's the number of strong tornadoes, EF2 or stronger, and the number of long track tornadoes on the ground for 25 miles or more. April is typically the peak of our spring tornado season, but this year March was unusually active. On March 17th, St. Patrick's Day, the Storm Prediction Center issues a rare high risk for parts of the state. On the 17th, miraculously, nobody lost their lives. But there were 25 tornadoes in Alabama that day. That includes 3 strong EF2s and 13 EF1s. Tuscaloosa County alone had 4 tornadoes that day. Hard to believe, 8 days later, once again the Storm Prediction Center issues another rare high risk for parts of the state, and they issued another PDS tornado watch, particularly dangerous situation. There were 7 strong tornadoes that day, including 4 EF3s and 11 tornadoes in all. On March 25th, tornadoes were not only stronger, they were much more long track. One tornado stayed on the ground for more than an hour and a half, traveling over 80 miles. 5 people lost their lives in Ohatchee and Calhoun County. It's a miracle nobody else died that day. Damage in Alabama was monumental. The southern part of the Birmingham metro area suffered heavy damage through the highly populated northern part of Shelby County. Other hard-hit towns were Centerville and Brent. So as we look at this big March total, we remember what happened in this state 10 years ago, April 2011. There were 109 tornadoes, including 45 tornadoes on the 15th and 62 tornadoes on April 27th, 2011, the super outbreak, which killed 252 Alabamians. That anniversary is coming up next week. This is Blue Water Chief Meteorologist Rich Thomas for the Alabama News Network.